Welcome back to Tech Explorer, where we bring you the latest and greatest in mobile tech. Today, we're diving into Vivo's latest mid-range marvel, the Vivo Y29. Packed with a 6.68-inch AMOLED display, the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, a 50MP AI dual-camera system, and a massive 5500 mAh battery, this phone is a strong contender in its segment. Let's explore why the Vivo Y29 could be your next smartphone and see if it stands out in a sea of competition. Starting with the design, the Vivo Y29 strikes a perfect balance between aesthetics and durability. Its slim and lightweight body feels premium in hand, while the IP64 rating ensures protection against dust and light water splashes. Available in starlight blue and obsidian black, the phone exudes sophistication with its gradient finish. The placement of the camera module and buttons is ergonomically designed, making it both stylish and functional. The 6.68-inch AMOLED display is one of the Vivo Y29's standout features. With full HD Plus resolution and vibrant color reproduction, it offers an immersive visual experience for gaming, streaming, and daily use. The 90 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and fluid animations, making every interaction seamless. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or editing photos, this display enhances the overall experience. And with its peak brightness of 1300 nits, outdoor visibility is a breeze. Under the hood, the Vivo Y29 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, a reliable mid-range chipset built on 6nm architecture. This ensures smooth performance across a variety of tasks, from everyday multitasking to running demanding apps. With up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, the phone handles multitasking effortlessly and provides ample space for your files, photos, and videos. The extended RAM 3.0 feature adds an extra 8GB of virtual RAM, ensuring lag-free performance even with multiple apps open. The Vivo Y29 is equipped with a 50MP AI dual-camera system that focuses on delivering sharp and vibrant photos. The 50MP primary sensor captures detailed images with impressive dynamic range, even in challenging lighting conditions. The 2MP depth sensor enhances portrait shots, offering a natural bokeh effect that makes your subjects pop. For video lovers, the phone supports 4K video recording, ensuring cinematic quality footage. The front-facing 16MP AI selfie camera takes vibrant selfies with excellent edge detection, making it perfect for social media enthusiasts. Battery life is another area where the Vivo Y29 shines. With its 5500 mAh battery, you can easily get through an entire day of heavy usage without worrying about running out of juice. When it's time to recharge, the 44W flash charge technology comes to the rescue, providing a 50% charge in just 30 minutes. This makes the Vivo Y29 a reliable companion for users who are always on the move. Running on Vivo's custom FunTouch OS 14, built on Android 15, the Y29 offers a clean and intuitive user experience. From customizable always-on display options to Game Mode 2.0, the software is packed with features that enhance productivity and entertainment. Vivo has also included enhanced privacy controls, ensuring your data remains secure while providing a seamless user experience. The IP64 rating adds an extra layer of durability, protecting the Vivo Y29 from dust and light water splashes. This ensures peace of mind for users who want a phone that can handle everyday challenges. Other features like dual stereo speakers and high-res audio certification enhance the multimedia experience, making this device an all-rounder. Priced at an expected $299, the Vivo Y29 competes with devices like the Realme 14X and Redmi Note 14. While the competition offers similar features, Vivo's attention to detail, excellent battery life, and AMOLED display make it a strong contender in the mid-range market. So, is the Vivo Y29 worth your money? Absolutely! With its stunning AMOLED display, reliable Dimensity 6300 processor, AI-driven camera system, and long-lasting battery, it's a solid choice for those seeking a mid-range phone with flagship-level features. What do you think about the Vivo Y29? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next video.